Yes, yes, yes. Kena ini. Talang guys, talang. What is up boys, welcome back to my channel once again. So for this video, you guys saw the thumbnail, it was a kayak fishing, yes, again with Nordin. You guys will be familiar with. For those who don't know, Fish on SG or Nordin, do check out my previous all the kayak fishing, because all the kayak fishing was with him, which I already mentioned a lot about him in my previous video. And for this video, I'm actually taking two different trips combining into one video, because like it's kind of trip I do landed fish. It's just that if I wanna make one each, it's gonna be way too short. So if I want to drag longer, it will be too much of nonsense. So I decided to combine into one video so you guys can enjoy more fishing action video. For the first trip, I went to Pulau Tekong. Me, Nordin, and Gabriel, which is Don. You guys know, yeah, Gabriel. And then the second trip to Sentosa, which we launched from Tanjung Beach, and me, Nordin, Jubel, which is fishing potato known as, and then Gabriel as well. 4 of us. The second trip was at Sentosa. So yeah, I do landed fishes in both trips, so I'm not gonna say what fish I landed. You guys just enjoy the video later, and let's roll the clip. Hello. I will follow you. Okay, testing 1, 2, 3. Take the rod and see. Okay. No bite. Oh, nice. Fish on. Ada pegang. Cibai punya ikan. Oi. Yes, I'm on. Oh yo. The drag out here. Huh? Put my drag there. I'm on. Legit running. MJ. First fish of the day. Yes. Hey, come, sini. Let's continue. In front of more. Oh yo, miss. Wah, so fast ya. Eh, kena edit. Ah.
Kena. Nah, you faster lah.
Oh, heaven lah, you just set on it. Eh, kena edit. Kena edit. Kena edit.
Dia kena juga.
Oh yo. Wah.
Almost dah belum.
Iya. No, just set on it. Don't wake me. Aduh, mogam. Blue line. Kacau ah.
Mobile ni ya, aku kena mobile. Kau korang je ente lah.
Yo, wah. Oh, aduh mogam. Bagi. Ui, no, that's fish. That's fish. Should I bring home? So nice though, the color. Look at that. Very beautiful. Oh yeah.
That's fish ah.
Small ah, big better ah. This is too small. Bye bye. Right, first fish of the day. Ikan pertama ini guys. Kerapu selipar guys. Kerapu selipar.
Where should I fish? Like with y'all or?
Right guys, second fish. Spanish flag I guess. Oh, GoPro guys. Yes. Woo. Finally. Oh, kerapu bagus guys. Yes sir. Very pretty. I think this is honeycomb because of the look at that, those spotted shape. It looks like an octagon, which looks like a bee nest. So that's why we call this honeycomb. Very nice one. Good for steam fish. So yeah, let's continue. Oi, talang. Talang guys, talang. Oh! 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 Queenfish, Queenfish! Oh! 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 Wow! Wow! Okay. Alright, guys. Okay, first Queenfish of the day, guys. Look at that. A nice Queenie on the on this what? Ouch. Okay, I'll release this fella. Still here, you still here, go! Right, so pretty much that's the end for this video. In the first trip I landed a few, I think 2 or 3 mangrove jack, and then I lost a few of like arumugam, annoying fish. And then Gabriel landed coral trout, and then 1 barramundi and 1 mangrove jack, like quite decent size. You guys can check his video out. I'll put his channel down in my description below. And for the second trip, I landed 1 honeycomb, and then small fishes, arumugam, blue line, and then I landed 1 Queenie, baby Queenie as well. And then I lost a few of them, and Tora as well, because they are all mixed together. The moment I retrieved, I saw Tora and Queenie that was chasing my jig, so they are all mixed. Yeah, it was pretty fun, like for the Sentosa trip, to have this kind of experience, you know, like found a school of pelagics. For this time, it's just a simple video that I'm making, and as usual, hit the subscribe button if you haven't, okay, join my journey, and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, okay. And for the next kayak trip, watch this. Hey, fish on! What the fuck?
Randy also on.
Yeah, you guys saw this. Stay tuned for the next kayak trip because it's gonna be really insane. We'll see you on the next episode, okay?